Hi there, it's Wendy from wendybottrell.com, and today our topic is discover how to start cooking at home tips for your best healthy life. And we're big fans of cooking real food and eating at home. Yesterday we wrote about the 4 benefits of cooking at home, and we'll share that link in the show notes in case you didn't get a chance to check it out. Today our intention is to help you discover how to start cooking at home with our tips. Now that you've discovered how you've discovered how beneficial cooking can be from home, you may want to, if you're not a cook, you may want to know how to get started. And if you haven't done a lot of home cooking before, there are a few things you want to do before you begin. So today we're going to help you discover how to get started cooking at home and some tips that you can follow to make it easier for you. Our first suggestion is to start off slowly. We believe in the excitement to start improving your health, and it's common to take that all or nothing approach to cooking. And this is that attempt to cook your entire week's meal for the first time. You're definitely going to want to work up to cooking every night. It's not a good idea to jump right into exclusive home cooking. It may just overwhelm you. This is because you need to build up your skills and change your practices. Start off slowly by cooking, maybe a few nights a week or even just one night a week to begin to help you achieve more success than going all out with it. We suggest that you start off slowly because that allows you to develop the practice and cooking habits that you'll be able to stick with. We like the idea of getting the win. Having a great experience one night a week and begin to get into the habit is much easier than getting frustrated and quitting before you've even had a chance for yourself. You're going to want to stock up on ingredients. While each recipe you decide to cook will require different ingredients, there are some staples that you'll want to have in your pantry. Stocking up on dry ingredients and good healthy oils, for example, will make cooking from home, much easier, much more affordable. It also will reduce the things you'll actually need when you're ready to try new recipes. And some of the most common things to stock up on will include herbs, spices. You want good oils, coconut oil, olive oil, ghee, organic butter, and condiments. And so we teach our clients who are beginning to practice cooking at home in their own kitchen to pick 3 recipes and make those 3 recipes until you're confident that you can make them without using the recipe book each time you prepare the meal. You may even find when you're developing that skill that you can fine-tune it, you can make changes, and that's when you know you're ready to move on to 3 new recipes. And this is just an idea to keep developing and growing till you have a complete repertoire of meals that you can cook easily and simply in your own home and enjoy that process. So look at the meals you've chosen, the first 3 you've chosen to cook, and see what kind of staples are needed for those recipes. This will give you an idea on those initial ingredients that you're going to want to stock up on. You're going to want to ensure that you have the right equipment. As well as the staple ingredients, you're going to need some equipment to get started. This will include pots and pans, measuring jugs, measuring cups, and cooking utensils. You'll find it tough to cook at home if you don't have the right equipment. Remember, the higher the quality of equipment, the better results you're going to produce. So we suggest investing in the best quality equipment you can afford. And what I did is I picked the pots and pan set I want, and I waited for it to go on sale and got an amazing sale price. And I've had those pots and pans now for years and years. Stainless steel, they last, they're quality. It is important to avoid Teflon pots and pans because of their toxic coatings. You'll want to buy stainless steel or cast iron pots and pans. You learn the basics. Once you've stocked up on the ingredients and the equipment, you're gonna need to learn the basics. One of the first things you'll want to learn is the different cooking terms you'll come across. For example, do you know what it means when a recipe tells you to cook something al dente? Learning the different terms will ensure you can follow the recipes correctly. You're also going to want to learn some basic chopping skills and discover as much as you can before you begin. If you follow the tips that we've talked about, it will really help you get started with home cooking. Like any habit, it takes time to get into a cooking routine or practice. There is a surprising amount to learn before you start to cook. So why not begin researching everything you need to know about the cooking basics? But remember, although it is important to research how to develop your skills, get the right equipment, fill your pantry, and start slowly, the best idea we can share with you here today is to take action, and make home cooking a part of your healthy practice today. So we'd appreciate hearing from you. Share any ideas, questions, or comments below, and be sure to get in touch with us and let us know how we can help you. If you liked the information and you found value here today, we would invite you to share this with your friends and family. We would also invite you to subscribe to our channel here on YouTube. We want to thank you for being here today. I'm Wendy from wendybottrell.com. Thanks. Bye for now.